Hi guys, usually I don't do product reviews, but since I have an iPad which I use for doing my note taking, planning out my content and all, and iPad had the iPad OS came with a recent update which provided mouse support. So I thought I would get, and while looking through Amazon, I came across one keyboard which was quite cheap. It was only 1,800 rupees, and it had a small touchpad also along with it. It's a foldable keyboard with a touchpad. The name was Sako, but I have seen many other YouTube videos where similar thing was shown with other product names. So I think it's generally manufactured in China and elsewhere, and then labeled with different product names. So I got this from Amazon even during this lockdown time. It came from Chennai, and I kept it aside for like a day and then opened it. I have opened it and checked. I'll just show you what is there in this. So this is a foldable keyboard with a touchpad that can be used with iPad OS. So this is my iPad Air 2019 iPad Air 3, and it can be used as a keyboard with a trackpad reasonably well with the iPad. Many of the gestures are not working. We will go through it, but still for 1,800 rupees this is a good deal. And it is MRP shown as 4,500, but then I got it for 1,800. I generally don't do such videos, but because this has been of use to me, I thought many people who would be using iPads or even any other tablets like Samsung tablet, Lenovo tablet, this would be a good thing that will be with you as a travel for travel and for carrying. So let's just open this. So this is the keyboard, and there are just two things. Only one is this keyboard, some write-up book that is there, user guide, and a charging cable. So this is the charging cable. It's a usual, not a USB-C charging port, the usual, the previous generation charging cable that is there. This one, this cable, and this goes to your charger. You can use any routine 1 amps or 2 amps charger for this. So let's keep that aside. So that's it. And if you look at the box, if you can say, technical specification, keyboard size is there, touchpad size, weight it's around 200 grams. It works still around 10 meter distance. It has a 140 milliampere hour battery, and then others are working currents, and it sleeps. And its name is labeled as Sako, but I don't think it matters because in this box there is no company name mentioned. I checked everywhere. It is just written as foldable Bluetooth keyboard with touchpad. And this is the overall how the product looks. I got the silver color of this because only that was available, and it will showing that it will work with Windows, Android and iOS. Okay, Android tablets, Windows tablets like the Surface tablets, and iOS devices, mobile phones. It will work with mobile phones and tablets. I have tried with my mobile phone also, it works well. Okay, so now let's get to unboxing it, opening it up. So I'll keep that aside. So this is the keyboard. I'll just open it. So if you see it, it looks like this. Okay, this is the touchpad. These are the keys. So you can see that spacebar is split here, and these letters are slightly small. The T is actually quite small, and but the key travel is really good. You can see, I'll show here, let the camera come into focus. Yeah, the key travel is reasonably good. You can see this is quite a good key travel. Almost 0.8 mm or 0.5 mm key travel is there. That's reasonably good for a thin device like this. But one thing to note is that there is a slight bend here between the middle piece and the side pieces. There's a slight bend, but if you keep it down, it's smooth. It's like this. Okay, and you can fold it up like this. That's it. And if you have to compare it with mobile phones, so this is my mobile, and this is the size of the keyboard. This is a Vivo Y95 mobile, and you can see the size difference of these two. Okay, so this is how the overall dimension is. Now, coming to the point, so this is the keyboard, and it has some, see, it's blue color ones are the function. You click function, you select the OS that it's going to run on, and then you can use these specific functions for each OS. So for iOS, these keys have specific function. For Android, these keys have specific function, and for Windows, like that. And these blue colors are to be used with function, just like in the normal keyboard. And this is the trackpad. It's not really big, so if you see, if I keep my 3 fingers, it's almost occupying the whole trackpad. But the idea is that it will serve the purpose. If you're traveling, or if you want to quickly note down some notes, or write an email, draft a quick document in your iPad or your tablet itself, this will serve the purpose, as it's very small also. Very handy, and build is good. Plasticky, but build is quite good. Now, button wise, this is the charging port. You have to switch on and off here. And this is the device that you use to connect to the board. You long press it and then you click connect. So how this keyboard connects is little bit different from usual Bluetooth keyboard. So let me switch it on. So when you switch it on, this is low battery indicator. So currently it is charged, and then this Bluetooth comes and goes. Now what you have to do is, let me switch on my tablet now. Okay. So let's now, so this is my iPad. So this is the keyboard. I have switched it on. And we have the on button and the Bluetooth is on. Okay, now let's try to connect it fresh. So what I will do is, I'll go to the Bluetooth in my iPad and then go to Bluetooth settings and see what are the other devices. So when I long press this Bluetooth ka button, it will come as a new device. You can see it here. It has come as a new device. So I click that. Then I long press my button. So it is telling that Bluetooth pairing request. Enter this code on the Bluetooth keyboard. So this code I have to enter on my keyboard. So let me enter that. So 2053, and then press enter here. So if, as you can see, it gets paired. So it has come paired. This is paired. Now you can see the trackpad has come immediately without doing anything much. The trackpad has come. I am using the trackpad like this, and the trackpad has come there. Reasonably good. It's nice to have a trackpad support on your iPad. It works like a small laptop. Many people are telling that the iPad can replace the laptop. I am not sure. I am not a big fan of that idea, but nonetheless, this has a support, the keyboard support. Now let's do some fun tricks with this. If I have to go to the home button, I just need to click function and this button. It will go. This is home button. You can see escape. So if I do escape, it will go to the home. Now if I do this double tap, I get all the apps that are open. You can see. So these things, this support is there. This copy paste is there. So volume reduction is there. So this will mute the volume. You can see volume got muted. Then this will increase the volume. You can see reduce, increase, reduce, increase, mute. And then this double tapping this will show you the apps that are running. Let's go to Word and let's say we want to type something. So I am typing here the argument you can hear that nice clicking sound. So it has good key travel, especially for people who are very particular about keyboard sound. This is reasonably good. So you can type out, you can use the trackpad. So this is really good. I'm not telling Magic Keyboard is around for $350. So if you are just a normal iPad user, not an iPad Pro user, and you just need a trackpad support, this will do the job. So I hope this was useful to you. I just wanted to show this keyboard. It's a very nice, it's a cute thing, not really powerful, but reasonably serves the job. please like and comment below what you think about this product. I like this, so I just wanted to share for people who are looking at using the new iPad OS update, which provides cursor support, so you can actually make use of that here. Okay guys, thank you.